Start by drawing a vertical line and divide it into 3 sections. Draw a horizontal line passing slightly below the center of the vertical line and divide it into 5 sections. We'll begin by drawing the shape of the forehead. Draw a semicircle like this. Mark the reliefs on each side of the face here. Draw the eyebrows, which should extend downward like this. Note that all of the lines and features should be soft for this character. Draw the nose, beginning at the eyebrow line and finishing slightly below this line. Draw wrinkles on each side like this. Here, we'll draw the shape of the beard and mustache. The facial hair should look bushy, but not disheveled. Draw a pair of eyebrows on the forehead like this. You'll notice that the eyebrows are thick, partially concealing the eyes. We'll add a few more wrinkles here. Draw the shape of the ears. Then the hair. For this character, we'll leave the top of the head bald, so you only need to draw hair on the sides. Erase any unnecessary lines. Now we'll add the finishing details and contrasts. Darken the outline of the head and hair. Draw this series of 4 lines to finish the ears. Darken the eyebrows. Eyes. Nose. And beard. Add a few more wrinkles on the forehead to finish your character.